Hello, what's up? Okay, right now I'm about to share with you a very important tips on how to convert your Facebook profile into page. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first step that I'm gonna share with you right now is there's a long process, and I'm about to share with you that. So this one, what you are seeing right here is my profile. Let me simply, you guys can see that this is my profile. Okay, I have 272 friends. You can see it from here. So now we are going to change or convert this profile into a page. Okay, so you can see all my details and all of that. Okay, so the first move is this. Okay, which I think it will not help you, but you can follow it anyway, because I'm going to share with you a very easy way to convert that, and I will not do it now. But please keep on watching the video so that you can convert your profile into a page. So first thing, you go to your to your profile right here, and then you go down to setting and privacy. You can see this, right? So click that, and then just click setting. Okay, so on the setting there, you are going to see some of the details from here, like my details are right there. So what I'm going to do, or what you can do, you can simply click your profile name, this one, like you can edit it or do anything. Okay, so right here we have all this information, like mine is right here. You can see it, but here there's no converting, or how you can convert your page, your profile into a page. But what I want you to do right now is simply click this learn more. There's learn more right here, so click that. So you have to wait, let wait. So you can see all this information, but you go down right here, just look for something, convert this profile into page or something. So now we can see that. So here is what you're gonna do. So you can see this thing that say, if your follows our standard and you are still having trouble changing it, find out why. So we can click this find out why here. So please keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, please try to smash the subscribe button down there. All right, you can see to change your name on Facebook, just go down here, fill in this form to request. Okay, now the next move is this. So simply come down here and come here. If you are still having trouble with changing your name, you can fill in this form to request a name change and confirm your name. So what we're going to do right now, simply click fill in this form. All right, so click that. So now it will bring us here. Okay, changing your name. So let's come down here. So let's come down here. So we do not need anything right here. Just simply come down here and go to this. Note that timeline are for personal use only. If you are trying to change your account name in order to represent a business or organization, or to represent yourself as a public figure, you should create a page or convert this. So you can see that we have a convert things right here, this one. So you can simply click that, this convert button. Let me move these things here. You can see that there's a convert button right here. Okay, so this one. So now all you got to do is simply click that. Okay, and then it will bring you here. Okay, so here we can look for convert links where we can convert. So as you can see, there's no link that can tell us that this is the place where you can start converting your profile into a page. So now it means that this is the end. There's no way out of these things. Okay, so all you got to do is that you can simply say no. Were this helpful? No, because we did not find what we are looking for. So all we gotta do right here is simply click no, because we did not see anything there. So you can simply click no, because it's not helpful, and then here this point is confusing, this solution doesn't work. All you gotta do is simply click the solution doesn't work, because there's no way there. So now here, this is where you can send the Facebook team telling them that please this link is not working. All you gotta do is that you need to make sure that you send your URL or your page, your profile URL to them, so that they can look into the problem and maybe convert your profile into a page. Okay, all you gotta do, you can put information, hello, okay, Facebook team, I try to convert my profile into a Facebook page and it didn't work. Please fix it. So now the next move is this. Okay, you can simply you have to put a link there, your profile link. Okay, so now I got to show you to do that. So let me come in here, or let me go to Facebook, so I can simply enter Facebook. So there, I want to copy my profile link so that I can send it to Facebook Teams. So all I gotta do is that click this. Okay, you can click that, or you can go to setting and do it from there, or copy. So here what we are going to do next, you can simply copy this, copy that, and then I will go back into this setting process here. Okay, this one. So now I can simply put this, and then when I'm done, because I'm already done, all I gotta do is that I can simply submit this. Okay, I can click submit, but I already submit that, so I don't have to repeat it again. So what I'm gonna show you right now, the other ways around, is the simple ways of doing that. So if you've been following or you've been watching the video, I really appreciate you. So please do not forget to leave a comment or simply subscribe. Now the next move that I'm about to share with you is the simple way of converting your profile into a page, and this is what I'm about to share with you right now. 100% working. So but I got to show you many ways around, but the last way right now is professionally or legit, and all you got to do is that just follow it up. So here's what you're gonna do. I'll go directly into my account. This is my account. All right, so this is my profile. Let me put it here. Okay, you can see that on my profile I have 272 friends, and it say that followed by 1,333 people, this one, but this is a profile, and I got to convert it into a page. And what can I do? So look, as long as you're on your profile right here, all you got to do, there are 3 dots right here. You can see this 3 dot. Okay, let me pull these things up there. So remember, there's I'm not seeing anything that that make this thing to be a page right now. This is simply a normal profile, and all we got to do is that just click this 3 dot right here. Click this 3 dot and scroll down. There's something called turn on professional mode. This one. Okay, we are converting profile right now. Turn on professional mode. I will repeat it again. As long as you're on your profile, all you got to do is that click this 3 dot right here. Okay, at the right top. You can simply click that, and then come down here to turn on professional mode. But remember, all you gotta do, all you can see here, they will be converted into a page, so it will not be the same normal profile that you know. So everything will be changed into a Facebook page. So click this 3 dot and then go into turn on professional mode, just like this. So click on. Let's wait. This is a solution, guys. This is a solution, so you can do it yourself. You don't have to tell them about that. Please help me doing that. All you gotta do is that you follow the step. Turn on professional mode. You can get paid for your content. You know what the most important thing is here? If you turn on your page, you turn your profile into a page, and you get all the requirements, which means that you can be making money. So all we gotta do right here, your profile follow setting will be set to public, so anyone can see your public content in their feeds. So you can still share private to little friends, see content inside, learn more about all these things. They will be there. Okay, so now we can simply click turn on. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds, and then it will open up. Whoa, welcome to professional mode. You can use professional tool to grow your audience, and if you are eligible in money, your profile category is set as digital creator. You can change it by tapping update profile category. We mean that I can change it right now, but before I do that, let me simply go to done, because I have to see the change. Let me pull these things here. Wow, you guys can see that I have 1.6k followers. I have 2k following, like I'm following 2,000, and I have 1,000.6 followers. So this is how you can convert. Now this is my professional profile page. All right, turn into a Facebook page. So now I can earn money if I get all the requirements. As you can see, I can simply click in. Let me go to followers. Okay, my followers. Let me go into photos. I can see all these. All right, these are all my photos. Let me go into videos. Okay, I can be able to see all my live video that I've been doing on my profile. Well, there you know how to convert your profile Facebook into a Facebook page. So that's it. So if you are new to my channel again, please try to smash the subscribe button to support me, and thank you for watching, guys. Okay, bye bye. So you can see that, but there's another way also. You can turn back into your you can convert your profile into your page into a profile again if you want to, by simply going to the three dot right here and come down here and turn on professional mode if you want. Let me move this one around, aside. So you can simply click turn on professional mode by simply clicking the three dot right here and then turn off professional mode, so that you can turn you can convert your page into a profile when you do not need it. But for me, I really want this this profile of mine to be a Facebook page. So I already did that, and I have 1.6 followers, and you might be having more like 10,000 followers, 15,000 followers. You can be able to monetize your Facebook page just simply like that. So all you gotta do, please share the video and let other people learn from this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.